Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. I would like to thank Romel Pia. Thank you so much to sir for sponsoring these products that I'll be vlogging about today. I would like to also give a shout out to all the staff and of course the owners of Budut's Grill. I believe they are still serving food for takeout and delivery during this pandemic, so you might reach them out. I will include in the description box all the information that you will need. So this is Sir Romel Pia's Special Ngohiong, and in one pack there's 15 pieces. So ingani siya kadagko, and it comes along of course with their special sauce. And their siomai, one pack also has 12 pieces in it. And it has egg toppings as well. So atong tilawan ang ilahang ngohiong, guys. Ubod na yan, no? Ubod sa lubi. So it has ubod sa lubi inside, and it's really crispy. Labi na if i-deep fry ninyo, guys. And the sauce really complements the ngohiong. Nami siya. Naipagka-spicy ang ilang sauce. So if you want to purchase or order from Sir Romel Pia, I will include his phone number or his contact details in the description box as well. Now let's try his siomai. Mauni siya. Deep fried food akong ganahan. So before, we've tried the steamed, and karon ang siomai ni Sir Romel Pia kay mas gusto na ko siyang i-deep fry, so I'm going to taste this now. And of course, it comes along with their special sauce as well. Mas lami pud siya butangan og kalamansi. Ngayon ta, guys. You can see it's real meat, no extenders. So yun na siya i-deep fry. And unlike other siomais na walay toppings, sila na ay itlog on top. Ay galimot pag-order sa ngohiong o siomai ni Sir Romel Pia. For the rates of these products, I will be including them as well in the description box. Once again, I would like to thank Sir Romel Pia and also Budut's Grill for sponsoring today's vlog. Guys, if you want to show your support to Sir Romel Pia's business, kindly comment down below or simply direct message him in Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you like it. Please do leave a like. And if you have any questions or suggestions on my future vlogs, kindly leave them in the comments below. And to show your support, if you have not subscribed yet, tap on the subscribe button below until it turns gray, and also tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching this video again. I hope you all take care during this pandemic, and I hope to see you soon. God bless you always, lovies. Bye!